guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited today because we're making desserts. So today as a dessert we'll make apple crumble dessert, maybe with a top of ice cream if we feel extra. So stay tuned. So for this recipe we need some apples, sugar, flour, butter, lemon zest and lemon and orange zest, some lemon, orange juice, salt, nutmeg, cinnamon, and some oats. Let's start by slicing those apples. I'll just slice them like this. And I'm trying to avoid the core, guys. And if you cut the core, you can just remove it. This is one of my favorite recipe for the family because, you know, if you have somebody who's allergic to eggs or like to eat dessert, this is really good dessert to use for that. Without eggs, and it smells and tastes delicious. Okay, so what I'll do, so I sliced my apples. I will pour the lemon juice on it. And the lemon juice also helps them from not turning brown. So, but the flavor of the lemon and orange juice on the dessert or on a cake is a very good combo, very good combination. Okay, so I'll add the zest of the orange and the lemon. A little bit, I'll put the orange juice. Look at that. And I'll add a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is actually, it's a spice that I've learned to appreciate. Growing up in Africa, we don't have, in the Congo at least, we didn't have cinnamon, so it was a very new taste for me. The first time I had cinnamon, I hated it actually. I didn't like it at all, but this dessert, for some reason, cinnamon and apple works well together. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna toss it. So let's see if I'm trying not to spill it. Just a better way. I should have used a bigger bowl, but this one gone. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna pour it. I'm gonna adapt. I'm just gonna pour it over on my baking dish and spread it well. Evenly, kind of, sort of. Okay. I just want to make sure that the cinnamon goes on. You know, let's use our hands. You know, sometimes your hands will just do it. It's just much better. Here we go. So now we're gonna move to our crust. So we're gonna work on a crumble. For the crumble, we'll just mix everything. And I just want to mention, you don't need to have a stand mixer. You can actually do this by hand. It will just take a little bit of more time. Not even. It won't take that long. So you don't need to have a stand mixer to do it. You can do it by hand. So, but for the purpose of this recipe, of this video, that is, we're gonna use some flour, some oats. So we're just gonna pour everything. Sugar, and then I'll put some nutmeg, which is very good. I like nutmeg. Cinnamon, maybe a little bit more. Okay. Some salt. and some butter. And the butter, I will put a little bit of butter, room temperature, and I'll start mixing. And then as I'm mixing, I'll add the rest progressively. All right. And now let's mix. So I'm gonna start now because I don't want the flour on my face. And I'll go progressively. Let me add more butter. The butter has to be at room temperature. If it's too cold, the crumble won't look as, it will break down basically. So you won't, the butter is actually the glue to the crumble. So you need it to have, it has to be at room temperature. So let's go back to our mixture. So our mixture is ready. I'm just gonna spread it over my apples here, and you'll see it will be all bubbly from the juice and will come up. It's very yummy. I think I'm just gonna pour everything. I want to make a thick crust. I think that's, oops. That means spreading again. Okay. Alright. Oh, look at that. I'm actually looking forward to this dessert. It's very good. It's very good. Alright. So we are ready, and we'll put this in the oven at 350 degrees, and I'll see you in a bit. This apple crisp, oh, look at that. So you see the apple. I'll take more of the crumble here. And sometimes I like to add some ice cream. It gives it an extra kick, you know, the cold and the warm. I like the contrast. I think that the person likes the contrast. Okay. I don't want to burn myself in. It's very good. It's very good. And you probably can hear my kid right now, but it's very, very good. The apple and the crisp, and I think the ice cream brings. So if you want to indulge, you can eat it without the ice cream, but the ice cream actually brings it. It's very good. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching this episode of Dessert, and I will see you on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.